Today's video we're gonna show you loading a load of feed for our dairy cows. We start out our load of feed with about 200 pounds of grist grain. This is a custom blend grain. It's got some soy, a little bit of oats, some corn, wheat, vitamins, minerals. To that we're gonna add cornmeal. Got our cornmeal in the loader. Now I'm going to add a couple pounds of this stuff. This is called, I have to look in the bag now, Super Ban. It's a probiotic acid mixture. It's like a preservative. Keeps the feed from heating up throughout the day. Fermenting. And about half a can of minerals. You see the other stuff's just a brown powder. This stuff here, that burns your eyes and nose. So I'm gonna try to as I dry down, it ain't blowing in my face. Stuff will clear your sinuses out for sure. You'll have to excuse my makeshift tripod here, kinda puts everything at an angle. But it works. This is the product they make beer out of. Comes from a couple local breweries that we get it from. This, I believe, is Budweiser out of Baldwinsville. In case you want to see, the machine I'm loading with is a New Holland C190 track loader. This isn't our machine, we're just borrowing it. We've got a Bobcat T190 we have a lot of track problems with. Buckle the seat belt. I'm adding haylage. This is last year's crop, chopped hay. We chop it green. We put it in these big piles you see here. This is this year's pile here. This one here is last year's. Oh, that's about 250 feet long, 25 to 50 feet. About 12-15 feet high. They're about 45 feet wide. That's all of our first cut in that pile there. Well, most of it. We still got some more to bale. I'll do a video on that when we get to that. we take the feed up tank over there. We had our perm. It's a perm. Perm is short for permeate, I believe. Our local milk plant gives us the leftover whey from making cottage cheese and the Greek yogurt. They run it through a machine, a reverse osmosis machine, and it condenses it down to a product they call perm. And that's what we water our cows with. It's got some energy because there's still some sugar in it, a little bit of protein. This stuff here that we put in our feed, they actually put in a big pan and they cook it down even further, concentrate it a little more, and we mix it in our feed for a little more energy and sugar and protein. Wet's the feed. In the hot summer, it's better to have some wet feed. They eat better, and it's free. They either have to pay it, give it to us free, or pay to have it hauled away. So we like free.